Tamil Nadu has quietly scripted a workforce revolution. While much of India continues to grapple with low female labor force participation, the southern state has emerged as the country's biggest employer of women in organized manufacturing, from textile mills and garment factories to electronics assembly lines producing iPhones. Women are increasingly powering Tamil Nadu's industrial rise. Here's a report.
Walk into a factory in Tamil Nadu and one thing stands out immediately. Women. On the shop floor, on assembly lines, driving the state's industrial success. In a country where millions of women remain outside the labor market, Tamil Nadu has done what few states have managed. It has become India's biggest hub for women working in factories. According to the latest data from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, cities like Coimbatore and Madurai are among India's leading large cities for female labour force participation. Women's participation in the workforce in both cities is much higher than the national average. The story began decades ago with labour-intensive industries: textiles in Coimbatore, garments in Tirupur, leather and footwear around Ranipet, and Chennai's automobile corridor. Together, they created millions of jobs where women became an integral part of the state's workforce. But the biggest shift has come from electronics manufacturing in the state. According to a report by the Annual Survey of Industries, in 2013 to 14, Tamil Nadu accounted for 20% of women employed in electronics manufacturing. That figure more than doubled in 2023 to 24. Tamil Nadu has leaped ahead of other states, with other electronics manufacturers like Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka lagging far behind Tamil Nadu. Growing opportunities in high-value manufacturing has made the state a key hub in India's electronics supply chain. Another area where Tamil Nadu stands out is that it hasn't focused on generating jobs alone. Safe public transport, affordable hostels and worker accommodations are part of the state's industrial strategy. For other states, the lesson is clear. Building factories is only half the battle. Creating safe, accessible and inclusive workplaces for women is what truly makes a difference. Bureau Report, WION World is One.